Namaste, children. Yesterday we started our new layer, isn't it? It is the second layer, that it is a poem. What is the name of the poem? Yes, it is You Can't Be That. Yesterday I showed you some slides regarding number of professions, isn't it? Okay. Now come to the lesson part. All of you look into your textbook, page number 30. The next part is I read. What is that? I read. Let us read a poem about a child's aim in life. Children, every child, every person will be having a certain aim. When they grow up, they want to become something, either a doctor, engineer, they'll be having some ambition in life, isn't it? So, this is a poem about a child who is having aim in his life. Okay, children, listen. I told them when I grow up, I'm not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV. No, a million birds will fly through me. I am going to be a tree. So I told them when I grow up. So the child is saying, I told them. Whom he is saying? The elderly person, his parents. What he told? I am not going to be a scientist. He doesn't want to become a scientist. Or someone who reads the news on TV. Even he doesn't want to become a news reader. The person who reads the news on TV is called the news reader. He doesn't want to become a scientist. He doesn't want to become a news reader. That a person who reads the news on TV. Then what does he want to become? He wants to become a tree. I'm going to be a tree. Why? Because a million birds will fly through me. Because tree is the home for many birds. Isn't it, children? So, he's telling I'm going to be a tree. Because million birds will fly through me. Okay, children? So, in this stanza, underline the difficult words. SCIENTIST, scientist. MILLION, million. THROUGH, through. So, in the first stanza, the child wants to be a tree because million birds will fly through him. He doesn't want to become a scientist or a news reader. Now look into the second stanza, second line. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. So, they said, they means who? The elderly people, the parents. What they said? You can't be that. No, you can't be that. So, you can't become a tree. They told. See here, children, there is a picture. The child is telling that he doesn't want to become a scientist or a news reader. He wants to become a tree. Now come to the next stanza. I told them, when I grow up, I'm not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or an MC. No, huge whales will swim in me. I'm going to be an ocean. So, again he is telling, when I grow up, I told them, the child told his parents, when I grow up, I'm not going to be an airline pilot. I don't want to become a pilot. You know pilot, okay? He doesn't want to become a dancer, a lawyer or MC. MC means, children, see, it is master of ceremonies, someone who conducts the ceremonies, announces at shows. Someone who conducts or announces at shows. See, they'll be conducting some shows, isn't it? The person who announces at shows, he is called the MC. Okay, children. So, the child doesn't want to become an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or an MC. What does he want to become? He want to be an ocean. Because why? Huge whales will swim in me. Because you will be finding whales in the ocean, isn't it? So the child wants to be an ocean because huge whales swim in him. So he doesn't want to become a pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or an MC. He wants to be an ocean. Okay, children. In this stanza, underline the DW words. Airline pilot. AIRLINE, airline. PILOT, pilot. Airline pilot. DANCER, dancer. LAWYER, lawyer. Huge. HUGE, huge. Whales. WHALES, whales. So after listening this, again the elderly people, the parents, what did they say? They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. Now come to the next stanza, children. I told them, I am not going to be a DJ, a computer programmer, a musician, or a beautician. No, streams will flow through me. I will be the home of the eagles. I will be full of nooks, crannies, valleys, and fountains. I am going to be a range of mountains. So again the child is telling, no, I don't want to become a DJ. I don't want to become a DJ or a computer programmer. He doesn't want to become a DJ, computer programmer, musician or a beautician. But what does he want to become? He want to be a range of mountains. He want to be a range of mountains. Why? Because he will be the home of eagles. You know, mountains are the home for the eagles. And I will be full of nooks. Nooks means corners, shady corners. Nooks means shady corners. Crannies. Crannies means holes in the wall or the rock is known as crannies. Holes. Crannies means holes. Valleys. Valleys means, you know, children, the space between two mountains. It will be in V shape. That is called the valley. And fountains. Why he wants to be a range of mountains? Because streams will flow and it is the home of the eagles. And the mountains will be, range of mountains will be full of nooks. Nooks means corners. Crannies. Crannies means holes. Valleys, space between two mountains, and fountains. So he wants to be a range of mountains. So after listening that, what did the people, what did the elderly person, parents say? They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I asked them, just what do you think I am? Just a child, they said. And children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. Then he is asking, the child is asking, what do you think I am? Then what do you think I am? Just a child, they said. Parents told, you are just a child. And children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. So, parents are telling, the elderly people are telling, whatever we think, at least one of the things the child has to become when he or she grows up. When the child asked, what do you think I am? They told that just you are a child, and always the children will become what the parents are thinking when they grow up they have to be. Okay, children. Now underline here children. 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 Children, see the before stanza you have to underline the DW words. Underline first computer programmer. COMPUTER computer. PROGRAMMER programmer. Musician. MUSICIAN musician. Beautician. BEAUTICIAN beautician. Streams. STREAMS streams. Nooks. NOOKS nooks. Crannies. CRANNIES crannies. Valleys. VALLEYS valleys. Fountains. FOUNTAINS fountains. Now come to the last stanza, children. They do not understand me. I will be a stable if I want smelling of fresh hay. I will be a lost glade in which unicorns will still play. They do not realize I can fulfill my ambition. They do not realize that among them walks a magician. So, the child is telling the parents are not understanding me. They are not able to understand me. I will be a stable. Stable means what, children? The place where horses live. Stable means the place where horses live. I will be a stable if I want smelling of the fresh hay. Hay means, you know, the dry grass, isn't it? The fresh grass. If he wants to smell, I will be a stable. I will be a lost glade. Glade means a small open space in a wood or forest. Glade means a small open space. Okay, I will be a lost glade in which unicorns still play. Unicorn is an animal, mythical animal. How it looks? It is a white horse with one long straight horn growing from its forehead. It is the unicorn. So I can be an open place in which these unicorns can play. They do not realize I can fulfill my ambition. They don't understand that they can't understand, realize that I can fulfill my ambition, the aim which I am having, I can fulfill. They do not realize that among them walks a magician. They don't know that among them walks a magician. So the child is telling that he is a magician because magician will play so many tricks, isn't it? So the child is telling, among them the child is like a magician because why? Whatever they want, they can fulfill their ambition. Okay, children. So the poet is written by Brain Pattern. So underline the difficult words, children, here. Glade, Glade, glade. Unicorns, UNICORNS, unicorns. Realize, REALISE, realize. Ambition, AMBITION, ambition. Magician, MAGICIAN, magician. Children, listen to the word body. MC, someone who conducts or announces at shows. Programmer, someone whose job is to write computer programs. Nooks, shady corners. Crannies, small narrow holes in a wall or rocks. Glade, a small open space in a wood or forest. Unicorn, a mythical animal like a white horse with one long straight horn growing from its forehead. Unicorn, a mythical animal like a white horse with one long straight horn growing from its forehead. Children, look at the checkpoints down. What would the boy like to be rather than a scientist or a newsreader? He doesn't want to become a scientist or a newsreader. Instead of that, what does he want to become? He wants to become a tree. Why does the boy want to be an ocean? Because huge whales swim in him. Why does the boy want to be a range of mountains? Because why does he want to become a range of mountains? Because it is the streams will flow. It is a home of eagles and it is full of nooks, crannies, valleys and fountains. Why does the boy think he is? Who does the boy think he is? Who does the boy think he is? He thinks he is a magician. See, in page number 15 you are having I understand. In the A Roman you are having blanks. Okay, children? B Roman question and answers. Question and answers I'll give you later. And the C Roman is reference to context. Already we learned what is reference to context. See the first context. You can't be that. No, you can't be that. Who said these words to whom? Who said these words? The child. Parents told to child. The parents told to child. Why were these words spoken? Why were these words spoken? Because the child expressed his ambition. When the child told his ambition, the parents expressed these words. Second one, they do not realize that among them walks a magician. Who are they? They means who? Parents. They are parents. Why does the speaker call himself a magician? Why he calls? Because he can fulfill his ambition. The child can fulfill his ambition. That's why here speaker means the child calls himself a magician. Do you think that the speaker really is a magician? Do you think he is really a magician? No, he calls himself as a magician.